Dr. Men often said, "Good health begins in the kitchen. Beyond ingredients, a cheerful heart and mindful preparation are the secret ingredients to truly nourishing meals." Ms. Mei had long battled stomach pain, poor digestion, and fatigue. Despite repeated treatments, her unresolved emotions and hasty meals kept her trapped in a cycle of discomfort. Dr. Men asked, "Do you see how your mood affects your health?" A serene kitchen bathed in soft, natural light. Wooden shelves hold several small jars of herbs, and a small pot of water simmers gently on the stove. On the counter, a plate of steamed bread is set. The warmth from the pot adds a comforting glow to the scene, blending with the tranquil atmosphere. Years of focusing only on treatment blinded Ms. Mei to the role of her own habits. Cooking thoughtfully and eating joyfully were lessons she had yet to embrace, but the spark of understanding had begun to grow. Health is built like a house. Ingredients are the materials, but emotions are the craftsmanship. Dr. Men's mantra echoed in her mind. Cook with care, eat with joy. At last, Ms. Mei understood the balance between nourishment and happiness.